Let's take a look at the production process at the fishball factory. First, workers put the fish meat, cut into small pieces, into the meat grinder. Under the pressure of the grinder, the fish quickly turns into fish paste. At this point, the fish paste is still rather coarse, so it needs to be put back into the grinder. This ensures that the fish meat becomes finer, resulting in a smoother texture for the fish balls. Next, the slurry is broken up. With the help of the mixer, the slurry quickly becomes a paste-like consistency. At this stage, workers add seasonings into the mixer and crush fresh ice cubes, which are also added to the fish paste. The low temperature keeps the fish meat fresher, while also making the texture smoother, depending on the type. Fish balls without fillings will be directly formed into balls and shaped in warm water. Finally, they are boiled to cook, then drained to remove excess water. As for the stuffed fish balls, when making them, food coloring is added to some of the fish paste. After mixing thoroughly, it is poured out and set aside. Then, fish roe is added to the filling, after intense mixing in the machine. This enticing fish roe filling is formed under the automatic processing of the fish ball stuffing machine. Delicious, chewy stuffed fish balls are created right before our eyes. After high temperature cooking, they are briefly frozen in a conveyor belt quick freezing machine. And our fish balls are ready.